Is it recording?
Yep.
Remember how mine was set up?
Yeah.
It's a lot easier. That's what it is.
Kyle! I'll get my room right. Your feet.
DJ Khaled, Convict Music, we the best. Yeah, we taking over. Listen.
Spread out with it. South Carolina, Alabama, Mississippi, on to North Carolina, Philadelphia, Virginia. From down in Miami where it's warm in the winter, on up to Minnesota where it's storm in the winter. Jacksonville, Tallahassee, Memphis, 10, holla at me. B&H-Town, Southside, Cloverland, Daddy, I'm the man out in Dallas. Better ask Cali, Catman, Cali with my eyes open valley. Blowing and spinning, going down Bennett. Drop 6, 4, 3, wheel and switch it. Red light stop, make it drop for the bitch. Out block 4, 5th, blow your head out with it. Anything you hear that I said, I meant it. Kane got the crown, then spit out with it. Say you need bricks, I said I get it.
If you want to, we can supply you. Got enough work to feed the whole town. They won't shoot you unless you try to.
We're not running, get a clock in it. Was it scary? It wasn't scary?
Jesse.
First time ever riding dirt bike, Jesse.
Let's go see the pool hours.
Zach,
Don't make noise.
do cannonball.
I'm about to be.
I'm not going in there.
I'm telling you what, I'm about to be running through my pools.
You're
You guys want
perfect.
to see my beautiful swan dive?
Yeah.
Yeah?
There's a car coming out on the road. There's a car coming.
Really? Ow. I hit my face on the bottom of the pool. I think I might have a black eye.
Did I?
Some chick over there like, I thought you went to the store. Why y'all wet? Well, it started raining.
Down and try to stop on our ground, 'cause we taking over. Said we taking over. Said we taking over. Said we taking over.
Black flag, we rich. Yeah.
Listen.
It's what I does. I get rid of I does that. It's how I ride. Black flag on the left, 2 hoes to ride. You better move. Hey, Kim, dead. Get shut up like Shine. That's on my head. I'm big like Diddy. Damn it, I'm with it. Cali, we did it. Biggie of my city. Please no fit it. Fuck it, I'm too. The bread and get brain. Stupid, silly. Money that comes.
Hey, did Bailey take his medicine?
Everybody on the corner with the work, slanging and banging in front of that liquor store. Blowing money cause I live life fast, so this bottle full of yak, I'ma sip it slow. Singles, double, and triple beams. Take over, now holla.
I think so.
Like water, mommy so hot, damn it, she Miami on fire, you better be. Might get shot on the porch of your fortress. Yeah, they see it, but no one reports it. I run in,
'Cause
Rick
we
Rouse,
taking
follow
over.
shit.
Said we taking over. Said we taking over.
Bailey, it's your first time on the bike. Go easy. How do you start it? You press that button. This kid's gonna take you out.
That kid's gonna fucking take you out.
That kid will take you out. This is his first time ever on a bike.
Do you even know how to ride a bike? No. I ride my bicycle, that's it.
Said we taking over.
BXTS, nigga.
Listen.
That when you see crack, better duck like the Mac, gotta ease past. Nigga, what shit? I don't give a fuck, I run these streets. Y'all talk that shit, I want that beef. I'ma tell you like a G told me, he'll come back quick if a nigga OD. Cash rule everything around me. I'm YSL, Versace. You can see me in that Porsche GT. Coming down Sunset, sitting on D. Feeling like Pac, all eyes on me. Fresh bandana and I'm blowing mad trees. Nigga, please, I spit crack every verse key. Some say Cali, some say.
Hey, Jesse just said, if I hit this right now, no more practice runs, just hit it straight up. He's gonna hit it on his 250 as soon as he gets it fixed. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Alright, the shake.
12 years down and I'm finally
If you
free.
want to, we can supply you. Got enough work to feed the whole town. They won't shoot you unless you try to. Come around and try to stop on our ground, 'cause we taking over. I'm number one. Nigga can't make me wrong, so we got it done.
What do you think of the track?
It sucks. I don't know.
Sucks. Say sucks.
Sucks.
It sucks. What do you think of the track?
Can you even do
Say
that?
it sucks.
Have you guys put your complaints in?
Yeah.
Because I already put mine in.
I already put mine. What do you think of the track?
It sucks.
What do you like about the track? Nothing. The flat part? I like the flat sweeper. That looks pretty good. Alright, positive feedback. What do you think of the track?
Could get good. Could get good.
Alright. Truth feedback. What do you think of the track?
Little rough.
Record this chest. You gotta twist it up a little bit. Get her down, boys.
Yeah, I'm gonna get
I was just supposed to flip down that. Flip over the ones, flip over everything else.
I bet one.
Guaranteed one ball into the bike starting with the 125. This is John Osborne, straight from Rich's Power Sports. We're gonna win this shit. These 450s ain't got nothing. We got a two-stroke killer right here, so it's all down.
Hey, you see the last video?
Really? You got a message, dude. Did you get my goon riding in?
No, I got a bunch of you standing there talking about hammer starts.
Oh yeah, dude, yeah.
There's a couple of you jumping at Falk's house. They're not Falk's, but Doc's.
Doc's house was sick Thursday.
Yeah.
Should have came. He was there. I was there.
Get a close up on that girl over there. Well, can we come to your house Thursday?
Yeah.
What class are you running today? You know?
Yamaha class.
Yamaha class? You too, bud. Michael, who's winning?
Yeah.
Who? I have no idea.
My bike's faster.
What?
I'm pro.
You're pro?
I'm pro.
I'm pro on that.
For real.
For real?
For real?
Yeah, see that? That's when you race bike.
What?
They were like, where's his finger at?
They asked.
Oh, it's going. What is it first?
At your penis.
Yeah, his hands are always down his pants.
Yeah, and quit playing with it. It don't grow.
That's why your wife doesn't like that.
Damn.
What'd you say, little fucker? Huh?
How you like the track?
Soupy.
Pretty camp.
I do believe we see a few showers and thunderstorms. I think the best threat of the showers and storms will be in the afternoon and evening and along.
But Junior, I am the little big cause we take it over. One city at a time.